Hey, Ashwin here. I'm going to teach you how to install MySQL without any errors. For this, you're going to need two pieces of software. One is a CPP package by Microsoft, and the other is a dev, of course, MySQL. For the C++ package, you want the 15, 17, 19, 22 version. For most of you, it will be the 64-bit version, which is this. The link I've added in the description. And for the second option, make sure you select the latest one. Again, the link is in the description. And then you select the non-web one, which is this one. Make sure you click on the download button. Over here, click on no thanks, just start my download. And once you're done downloading, you want to first install the Redistro. So just click on it. For me, it's already installed, so I'll just click on repair. And for you, the process should look the same. Just restart your computer. Then start with MySQL installer. Wait for it to load out. Now, the first thing you want to do is change from server only to full. Then click on next. Now you want to execute all of this. Have a little bit of patience. Once it's done completing, we can move on to our next step. Just click on next. Again, next. Now, over here, make sure your port is 3306. Click on next. Use strong password encryption. Click on next. Now make a password. For me, I'm just going to make a random right now, but make sure you remember it. You can make it strong. I'm just doing it for demo purposes. I'll change it later. Then just click on next again. Again, you don't have to change anything here. Click on next. Yes, grant full access to the user running. Next. Again, click on execute. It is going to change a bunch of permissions. This is why it is important to select a good password, just in case something can go wrong. And click on finish. Again, click on next. Now you don't have to change any values here. Click on finish. Again, click on next. Over here, you'll have to write your password. So I'm just going to write the same password. Click on check. If you see the green mark above, connection succeeded. Click on next. Again, click on execute. Click on finish. Again, click on next. And now click on finish. The installation is complete, but we need to see whether everything is working fine. So click on the local instance. Then type your password. Press OK. Now in the query field, just go over here, type show databases and a semicolon. Run that following line, and if you see this output, you have done everything correctly. Congratulations.